guys, happy Monday! I hope you had a wonderful weekend and you did something super duper fun. We are jumping back in this week and we are going to do some calendar, so here we go. Remember, we start with the echo, so I say the month is September. Now you say it with me. The month is September. Good job. I last saw you on the 10th. Since then, we have had September 11th, 12th, 13th, and today is September 14th. September 14th. Let's remember that because we are about to need that information. Remember how I said I was going to add something new? Well, here it is. Today's date is September. September is the 9th month. So I put a 9 right there. We said that today is September 14th. September 14th, 2020. And you can write the date in two different ways. You can write it in numbers, and then you can write it in words. September 14th, 2020. Both of those ways are ways that we can write the date. Let's look back up at our calendar and see what day it is today. If today is the 14th, we go straight up and I see that today is, you guessed it, today is Monday. So if today is Monday, let's hop backwards to yesterday. Hop backwards to Sunday. Will you help me read that sentence, please? Yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good. Last time I saw you, we had been in school 3 days. If we have 3 and we add 1 more, how many ones is that now? You're right, it's 4. And we have been at school a total of 4 days. We know with our money now we are going to make 4 cents. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. Nice work. All right, you guys, it's going to be our last day with these words. I'm going to change them up tomorrow, so call them out with me. Here we go. Of, to, the, has, a, we. And today we are going to count by tens. Here we go, nice and loud with me, all the way to 120. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Good job, everyone.